This is Scott with JSA Foundation and Masonry Repair. We are located in Douglasville, Georgia, and it is Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2018. And what we're doing is we're jacking over an outdoor fireplace. This is a massive, about 22-foot outdoor fireplace, and the whole back side is pretty much at a level. And what we're doing is we've driven all of our piers down to a bedrock base, and so we're going to try to jack this thing back up and see if we can level it. All right, if you'll crank that machine, let's show this thing move a little bit. Show this thing move right here. There's our mark, and then here goes our indication. Chris, if you'll let me know how far down there it moves. There it goes. You can see that mark right there coming back up. And here's our level here. Way out of level. I'm going to show. Let's move this thing back into place. Let's keep going. Come right over here and get us a mark right here. Okay, here we go. Cut that one on. Put that board back behind it. Help him out over. Hold on, Greg. So this thing is just moving slowly, a little bit by a little bit.
Okay, got it? Now turn around the other way.
Just go up higher. There you go. Now turn it sideways. There you go. Okay, here we go. I'm going to actually show this right over here too. Cut that one off. Okay. Here we go here. There's about an inch right there already.
It's almost half an inch.
It's just moving like you want it to move. The whole thing's coming up. Put that board in, and we'll go down here and show this one too. There's the old mark right there, and that one down there. And then I'll do a final video of all this, but right now we're just about perfectly level. Another quality job done by JSA. Great. This is Scott again with JSA Foundation and Masonry Repair Specialist out here in Douglasville, Part 2. And we've got the 5 piers put in all the way down to here, and we were able to lift this chimney about 4 inches back into place. And now that level is dead on. Before, that level was probably about up in there somewhere. So I wanted to show how we lift these things and how it's all back nice together. I'll get a picture of the front up here as I go around, and we'll see how massive this, one of the largest chimneys we've ever jacked. As you can tell, that thing's about 6 feet there, and the chimney's about 8 feet or more. It's about 22 feet overall for the whole thing. And we saved all of this and put it all back into place. Another quality job done by JSA. This is Scott England with JSA Foundation, Masonry Repair Specialist. And it is May 31st, 2017. We're in Sandy Springs, Georgia, near Roswell, and the customers called us out. They have a chimney that's half bricked or so, and the rest is stucco. And the chimney has pulled away from the house, and it's also leaning to the left that way. That's why that gap is smaller at the bottom and wider at the top. So what we've done is we've driven our foundation brackets in 25 some odd feet, and we're going to attempt to lift the left side as much as possible. We've already stabilized this to hold it, and now what we'll do is crank this machine and see if I can show these gaps closing up a little bit. Here we go. I want to get right here and film this and see if we can show this gap really closing up. You gotta remember, this is probably 8 to 10 tons or more weight. And what I'm going to show is just how we can close that back together. Okay, let me see if I can. There we go. Right there. Watch these gaps, see if they close up. All right, you ready? That's about as close as we can get. What I wanted to show was that this didn't really necessarily show a lot of movement because it didn't move a whole lot. It moved maybe a ½ inch, and I just filmed that last ¼ inch. Now we're within 1/8 of an inch of cracked brick, and debris falls back behind there and it won't allow you to get it perfect. So I'll do an after video of the mortar repair once we're done and show how all this comes back up. And we lifted this about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch to get this thing plumb straight and level. Another quad job done by JSA. This is Scott England with JSA Foundation and Masonry Repair. We are located in Smyrna, Georgia, and I believe it's March 20th, 2017. And chimney is pulled out about 4 inches from the house. We've jacked it over about 2 inches, and I wanted to show the last video of this going back into place. As you can see, there's a gap there where you can see daylight, and that chimney's pulled back. So we've driven our piers down about 30 feet or so. What we want to do is crank our machine and see if we can jack this thing and show it going back into place. All right, go ahead. Grab that level and stick it on the wall, and let's show how much it's out of level. Oh, just like that. Okay, there's our level. We're not going to move our level. We're going to film it here in just a second. I want to show the crack going back into place. Okay, here we go. Patrick, you look at the other side and see how it looks like. You look on the other side and see how it looks. Okay, here we go. We're right back to the framing of the house, exactly back to where it used to be, and our level is dead on. Cut that machine off, bud. Now you can stand back and see this, and that chimney is perfectly plumb straight and level. We'll do all the necessary backfilling, and that thing will never have to be torn down and never move again. Another quality job done by JSA.